Before you get into this powerful content and this conversation, I need y'all to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button on the channel, because that's the best way you're going to stay up to date with everything that's going on. Like, share, comment, review, and let me know what's going on, people.
Like, do you think me just, hey, I'd say 3 people. I'd say 2's perfect, but I found that like Wednesday, Thursday, or like, yeah, I can have people on. If I can have 2 people on a week, if I could have 3 people on, just keep rolling with it. What
I would say is hone into it. Pick your day, right? If you're doing 2 a day, do 2 a day.
Yeah.
Don't make it flip flop. I see a lot of, this is what I see in a lot of podcasting, and I don't want people to take this as a diss, but set the intention.
Yeah.
If you're gonna release a podcast and you go 6 months and life happens, I get it. But let people know, hey, like, listen, I'm taking a break.
Yeah, totally.
Don't just come into the podcasting space and then record for 6 to 8 months and then disappear and then think you're gonna come back.
Yeah.
You're gonna lose people, right? It's like with anything, right? So it's like, just set the intention of what it is you want to do. If you say you're gonna release Wednesday, release Wednesday. There's no target market of when you release your podcast.
So it'd be better, like, even if I had 3 people on a week, or like, I'll get to the point where, like, even after, like, even 3 a week, if I go to this week's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if I go 3, like, not bank them, but like do a Wednesday upload, a Friday upload, and then that Friday person just gets to the Wednesday, and then you start,
And you know you can do YouTube, right? You know that's its own database, so you can upload it and private it. So
yeah, I do.
Just do what you need to do, right?
Yeah,
that's what a lot of YouTubers do too, right? So,
yeah, so that's not a big thing. Like, maybe it's something that's only on I'll say the production end is my end of, like, I guess being a guest, you don't. It's like, whenever you're told it's going to come out, that's just what you roll with.
It's 2 of the episodes I'm sitting on right now. I was about to message one of the ladies
and be like, chill, it's coming.
And be like, yo, it's coming on the 7th. But like, I was like, no, I'm not going to, because she's not going to remember.
Yeah.
But what I love is with the Instagram now is you do the tag to collaborator and then all that good stuff. So, and I always pre-warn people. And they're like, oh yeah, I'm definitely going to share it out to people and all that good stuff. Right?
Yeah.
But you just always have to have those conversations, you know?
Yeah. Okay, so that's good, because I'm just gonna, and like, even with mine, it's like,
Yo, before we get into powerful conversations on this page, I need y'all to do me a favor. Head over to Instagram, free platform. I'm posting tons of free content each and every moment I can. Instagram Reels, Instagram posts, Instagram stories. Let's go. Continue the conversation.